Darren Martineau here. Welcome to this video review of Nexus Rewards. Nexus Rewards is absolutely incredible program, and what it is, I'm going to explain to you what it is. It's exclusive, savings. It's so you can join free level or paid level. Of course, the paid level is better, and I'm going to explain an overview in this video. So, first of all, you have the free level. Okay, you can join. In the free level, you get access to Rakuten, which is a savings app for your phone. You get um, access to Fetch and Upside. Now, there's all kinds of savings. They showed a guy that saved $900 a year on his gas. Every time you go to get gas, and I've actually used this app. I went on vacation and we saved from getting gas just a couple of times. We saved almost $10, and so this actually works. So when you look at the average savings, it's about over $5,000 a year, $5,500 a year on up. So it's absolutely incredible. So what is this program? Well, I'm going to explain it. So when you join free, like I said, you get access to these three awesome apps, okay? And there's much more. Now, the premium level is much better, and that's it's $9.95 a month. So this is less than a cup of coffee. Now, for this program, for the premium. Now, in the premium, what do you get? Well, you get all of those free apps we just mentioned and the premium apps. What are the premium apps? Well, you get the Nexus Benefit Hubs, okay, which is the world's largest selection of discounts, rewards, and lifestyle benefits, currently used by 23% of Fortune 500 companies, okay? Next, you get the Nexus Bill Reduction. What is that? Well, you can save money on your existing bills, your phone bill, your internet bill, and several others. You fill it out, you go in there, the video explains you everything what to do, and you can save on all your bills. So if you'd like to save money and make money at the same time, that's what this is all about. Now, for the premium level, it's $9.95 a month, like I said, but there's a $40 charge, which is to set up your business, okay? Now, that means it's going to be $49.95 for the first payment and then $9.95 for each month to be a member of this. Now, this is an incredible MLM. It has 9 different ways to pay you. I'll make another video on the comp plan. It's absolutely amazing. But let's talk about the premium level again. Let's keep talking about that. So the next thing we have is called the NXRX, which is the prescription discount app. And you save up to 90% on all of your 90% off on all of your prescriptions and medications. The next one you have in the premium is you get the Nexus Shopping Boss app. Okay, one of the most powerful cashback tools available. Then you have marketing tools. You have the Nexus Zoom Rewards, which is a Zoom-ready presentations and webinars with 500 people, unlimited cloud storage, broadcast to Facebook Live, save big time. It's only $12.99 per month. So when you add up all of these savings, you're getting money. Uh, you're saving money and you're making money. Okay, how? Because every time someone joins, even when they join for free, you're going to make money every time they join for free. You're going to make like potentially $34 for each free member, and even more than that because that's just off of one free member. Okay, now for the premium, why is it better? Because you get all of these exclusive apps and you get access to the affiliate program and the MLM. So you're going to get 9 different ways of getting paid. So what happens is, I'll give you one example. In the Rakuten, when you go into the Rakuten app, it's a savings app. It can be online or physical. Now, example, you go in, you get some stuff from Walmart, some non-perishable items, water, toilet paper, whatever. You go in, you get that. Now, you spend $30, and what happens is they're going to give you $30 cash back. So every time you're using these savings apps, you're going to get cash back into PayPal and things like this on top of that. That's why you're going to get more money. So what happens is you go in to the Rakuten, you spend $30, then they give you $30 on top of that. Okay, so that's just from the free one. Now, why is the premium better? Because with the premium, not only are you going to get the $34 in addition to all the cash back from the apps, but you're going to get $25. You get 50% commissions. So for each and every premium member you bring in. So this is just one of them. Now, without going off on a tangent, this is one of the best. It's not too good to be true. This is legitimate. This is one of the best programs that I found online. So click and join now. Thank you very much.